wonderforce.com.
Hi students, welcome to Chem YouTube channel. So recently we have seen a drastic changes in the NTA and lot of wrong, puzzling and incorrect decisions are taken by the NTA or our education minister. What do you feel? Are you feeling the same or not? The very beginning we have seen that all of the sudden our old HRD minister announced the dates with the very less gap and even overlapping, even with even less gap between the third and fourth phase. So every student was puzzled and asking for the just 1 week gap. Every student was in agreement with the conducting the examinations of third and fourth phase in the July itself, and but they wanted 1 week gap between the both phases, and the immediately date sheet was also announced, and we have seen that all of the sudden the fourth phase is postponed, and that is also much gap. It resulted in the distracted people are distracted from the studies. If you are giving, if you are expecting for 1 week or 10 days gap, but giving so much of gap will be very dangerous for the forthcoming academic session, especially for the IIT students. Many people are in confusion which seat, which college they are going to get, which branch they are going to get, and that confusion is now prolonged. So many people are losing their confidence, losing their interest over the studies, and because of which their performance also is going to be affected. So that was the drawback by the second phase. Fourth phase, large gap between the third and fourth phase. And we have seen that on the 22nd July there were no two shifts were announced, but only one shift was conducted. And anyhow 20, 22, 25 and 27 all the papers memory based are available on our blogspot. You can download them and you can prepare them, and so that you can get an idea what was the question paper, what was your session question paper, and how much you are scoring, and which was the toughest shift in the July session, and you will get idea about that what is your competition level and which mistakes you have done, are the questions given are correct or not, also you can identify. So I think we can expect very soon the result of the July session also, but it will be a further step for the fourth session, and you may learn something new from the third session. Now coming to the advanced. So we have seen lot of gap. October 3rd is the advanced examination. Who can imagine? No student, I don't think any student will be having the patience to learn about the advanced examination up to the October 3rd. Many people will start taking the holidays, taking the things easy and break their studies. So it is going to affect adverse effect. It is going to show the adverse effect on the preparation of advance. It is my personal feeling. Do you feel the same or not? That is up to you. You can write to me in the comment section also. That is the one drawback. Okay, so because in India we always think about kal se dekhenge. So but once our final exam is on October, this is July, August, September, so 2 months more, then definitely people will stop studying. Once you maintain the discontinuity in studies, it is going to give you the wrong direction, and many people will start joining in the private colleges or deemed universities. So that is also one of the drawback for the IITs. And if they conduct the examination in October 3rd, then you can imagine when the counseling will be completed, when the new academic session will be starting, and how they are going to rush up to complete the syllabus for the academic session. So the quality of the teaching and the quantity of the teaching will be always less once you are getting the less time. So this is going to be one of the major drawback in the IIT field. Okay, so this is my personal view. I think all of you will support or oppose. I have given you two options. Is it a correct or wrong? For me, according to me, it may be a wrong option. But if you feel that it was a correct decision, just mention what are the advantages of taking this correct decision and how it is supporting your correct decision. Thank you. See you, and ask your friends also which is it a correct answer, correct decision or wrong decision. And join me on my Telegram group, and join me on my follow me on my Instagram, and you can follow my blogspot for the better guidance. See you. Bye bye.